Good morning, all of you. Myself is Aditya Verma, Sports Officer, IITH, Hyderabad. My specialization is athletics. Today I will teach you some athletic drills. We'll call it as ABC drills. This is basically, it will improve your strength, coordination, agility and stride length. Okay, before starting this, we'll do some specific and basic warm-up. Warm-up is very important for every sport. When we do warm-up, it will generate your heat in the body so that your muscles will not get injured. Okay, we'll start with general warm-up. According to your space and area, you can do your warm-up at your home or your terrace, or if you are availability of any ground, you can do your warm-up. Okay, we'll start with general warm-up. I am doing in an area of 10 meters. Okay, slowly jog. Okay, after completing your warm-up, we'll go for some exercises. We'll do from head to toe exercises. We'll start from head. Okay, up, down, up, down, up, down. Each exercise go for 10 repetitions. Okay, change side. Okay, change. Go for clockwise rotation. Okay, change anti-clockwise. While doing, open your eyes, don't close your eyes. Okay, change. We'll go for shoulder. First stretching exercise, shoulder. When you're doing your shoulder stretching exercises, your arms should be straight. Should not bend your arms. Stretch your arms maximum how much you can stretch. 10 times. Each exercise go for 10 repetitions. Okay, next change, go for sidewards. Okay, change, go for side. When you are doing this exercise, your abdomen should stretch and your arms should stretch, and see your legs toe facing opposite direction when you are doing. Stretch maximum so that your core region can be stretched fully. Go for 10 times. Okay, change. We go for 2-arm rotation. When you are doing these exercises, your hands should, you can bring your hands maximum touching your ears. Your hand should be straight. Okay, change back. Okay, change. We'll go for shoulder rotations. Front and back. Okay, change. We'll go for hip rotation. Clockwise and anti-clockwise you can go for 10 times. Okay, change. Spread your legs. Go for touch your right toe and left. Go for 10 times. Next, change. Go for alternate toe touch. Don't bend your knees while touching. Touch your toe and see up. This exercise for your hamstring, quadriceps and gluteus and calf also. Next, stretch forward, right turn and bend your knee. Okay, change. We'll go for hamstring stretching. Don't bend your knees. Keep your foot according to your shoulder width.
Put your toe to the ground. Don't bend your knees.
Okay, go for 10 times. Next, we'll go for gluteus stretching. Pull your knee to your chest. Okay, next we'll go for ankle rotation. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. Each exercise go for 10 repetitions. Both legs. Okay. Next, after finishing our warm-up, we'll go for some specific drills which will improve your running action, which will strengthen your quadriceps, hamstring, calf muscles, everything. Okay, first we'll start with high knee. Before starting high knee, you should always do the perfect technique of high knee. While doing, see, your arm action should not go high. Okay, your arm should, the other hand should be at your pocket, the other hand should be facing forward. It should not go too high or too low. It should be maximum, your hand should move up to your nose only. It should not go too high. Okay, and your knee should be 90 degrees. Your foot should be 90 degrees, and your toe is important. Your toe should not face downwards. Your toe should facing towards slightly upward. Okay, I'll show the exercise. Okay. Okay, each exercise you can do for 3 times and rest. After doing this three times, go for 30 seconds rest. Other time I'll show next time. According to your capability, you can do 10 meters, 20 meters and 30 meters. Don't go maximum 30 meters. Okay, this is high knee. The next exercise is back lift. Keep your hands at your hip, and the first thing is your legs should hit your buttocks. Okay, we'll do it. Keep your upper body straight. Don't bend your upper body forward or backward. Your upper body should be straight and look forward, and do maximum kicking. Okay, each exercise you can go for 3 repetitions. The next exercise I'll show side running. When you are doing your side running, you should always observe your hand should go from side to up. Your hand should not go from here to there. From side to up, and your hand should not bend. Okay, see. Okay, the same thing you can do other side also. Okay, you can go for other direction, left and right. Okay, the next exercise I'll show is crossover running. While doing this crossover running, you should keep your hands, you can keep your hands at your hip, or you can raise your hands up to your shoulder level, and take your right foot towards your left, and again the left foot facing towards the right leg. I'll show it. You should twist your hip when you are doing this exercise. Okay, one more time. Okay, the next exercise I'll show is bonding. Bonding, simple bonding I'll show you. Okay, it's like hopping only. Keep your hands forward. Okay, one more time I'll show you. Just hopping time. Just lift your knees upward. It's bonding. Okay, the next exercise I'll show you is back running. Back running is nothing but when you run front, how your legs move forward. The same thing you should do while you are doing back running. Okay, look, should look one direction and keep your foot back. Okay, this is back running. And for single leg bonding, I'll show you. One more bonding is there for single leg bonding. For this, you should always use your hands while doing. Okay, these 5 to 6 exercises will improve some sprinting exercise, spot. By doing these 5 to 6 exercises, it will improve your running action and running stride. Okay, you should do these exercises regularly with your when you are doing your warm up, when you are doing your exercises. Okay, I'll tell you some other exercises in the next episode. Okay, thank you very much.